Hello, Dyke Drummond here again with a personal invitation for you to attend one of our 2 live Zoom workshops here in the first couple of weeks of January. What we want to do is help you make 2024 your best year yet in your medical practice. In each workshop, we're going to teach 2 main things. Number 1 is our 3-step ideal practice builder process that makes sure you're always building a more ideal practice no matter what's going on around you. And the second thing are the industry trends that we expect in 2024 that could come up unexpectedly and knock you off kilter and burn you out instead. I want you to be aware of these trends so that you can recognize them early and take defensive measures to protect yourself, your practice, and your family. Now, we're going to hold the workshop twice, so hopefully you can attend at least one live and get your questions answered because there's going to be plenty of time for Q&A. The first one is Thursday, January 4th at 5 p.m. Pacific. The second one is Tuesday, January 9th at 3 p.m. Pacific. Now, I'll record the event so that you can watch even if you can't attend live, and we have 2 hours of CME that you can pick up even if you can't attend live too. So go ahead and click the link or fill out the form that's on this page and go ahead and register so I can send you the links and all the other details. And I hope I see you in one of these workshops in the next couple of weeks. Until then, keep breathing and have a great rest of your day.